Hey friend, Adam from CloudSpot here. In this video, we'll be covering two very important sections of your gallery settings, design and downloads. In your design settings, you can customize the cover page, layout, and overall look of your gallery. Scroll through our various cover designs and choose one that best fits your style and the cover image of the gallery. Be sure to set a focal point for the cover image so it looks awesome on all screens. If you want to replace this cover image, head to the top left corner and click on the image displayed there. Under Layout, choose between having your images displayed in small or large columns or rows. You can also adjust the spacing between your images. Choose to have them placed close together or farther apart. Below spacing, you can choose the color theme for your gallery, light or dark. The light theme gives you a white background behind your images, while the dark theme goes for a very dark gray. The Display Image File Name toggle controls whether your client will see the image file names when viewing the gallery. Here, you can also enable watermarks for the gallery. Applying watermarks here displays it on the images in the gallery, but it won't be applied to downloads. More on that later. For store orders, we always use the original, watermark-free image that you upload. Moving on to downloads. This is where you control download access for everyone who views this gallery. Downloads are off by default, so just flip this toggle if you're allowing free downloads. In the downloadable sizes section, you can select which sizes can be downloaded. Choose between full resolution, social media, or even a custom size. You can also enable multiple sizes to give your clients more options. You can also choose which folders are downloadable, so only those selected will be able to be downloaded by your client. If you want clients to have more control over who can download from their gallery, I would recommend turning on the download pin feature. This will generate a 4-digit pin, which will be required for anyone to download from the gallery. Lastly, you have the option to watermark the downloads from the gallery. This watermark setting is completely independent of the option in the Design tab. Remember that this section is for free downloads. If you want to charge for digital downloads, make sure to turn this section off. We'll cover how you can enable sales in your gallery in the next video, so stay tuned.